Hello, everybody. Papa Bitbrother here, and you are on the Bitbrother crypto channel. So, welcome to the channel. Today, we're not gonna have Casca here as it's his son's birthday, so he will be celebrating today. So, yes, if you want to send him like Gronia Pola in Greek, send him hello. That means happy birthday for his son. Just send us the comment there. Scipione Massari, I hope you're there with us, bro. And we're starting the program today. Today we're gonna talk about my coins that I really think it's gonna explode in the next bull run. Okay, so when is the next bull run? We do not know, but these are coins for you to keep an eye on it, especially now. It's been going down a lot, but the projects behind these coins are great. Okay, guys, there's so much going on behind them, and I think it's really you should be having a look at it. And again, it's not financial advice. 1 second, let me just put our banner here, and that says there. So it's not financial advice what we say here, but of course we are kind of in the market every day looking for best projects. So two of the coins I'm going to talk about today, I made special videos on them, so you can go to our YouTube channel videos and find them as after I speak here. Okay, but of course let's see the overall market, how it goes. Guys, today 18,916 coins. So yesterday on my live I talk about this because it was a very nice number. Yesterday it was 18,888. So today we are about like 30 coins more. So that I think this is what scares people in this market. Okay, guys, because every day there's like, look now, pretty much like 50 coins developed from yesterday until today. And people say, where do I invest? Where do I go? So much going on. And how can we find the best micro caps, isn't it? So the best way to find is actually studying the market and checking. There's always someone who's going to find nice coins, and then you go and do your own research on top of it. But it's super difficult. 18,000 coins to research. You can spend all day here just looking at them. You're not gonna even know what's going on. So, and it's gonna take you forever, because as soon as you finish to study some, there are new ones coming in. Okay, so yeah, the market cap today 1,873,000,000,000. So that's a lot of money coming out of the market now. And so that's not very nice, because yesterday was 1.9 trillion, and 2 weeks ago we were almost at 2 trillion again. Yeah, we went, I think, a bit above 2 trillion. So that means like more than 150 billion dollars went out of the market in these 2 weeks. A lot of people saying again that it's a lot, it's profit taking, so people can pay their tax in America. But I'm not sure if the American market is really like moving all that money. So it's probably like also something related to the geopolitical problems we have with Russia. We never know. So, but what we have now is the kind of, we have to keep our control in our fear and greed. Okay, because guys, always gonna have a shook up of the weaker hands. Okay, and please do not be the weaker hands. Please invest wise in DCA, so whenever there's a dip, you have a little bit of money to invest. And if you're already all invested, just stay strong. Okay, of course, like we always say, do not ever invest things that you think you can lose. Okay, so so you're safe. Yeah, but guys, today in the market overall, there's a lot of bargains there. Lots of bargains going on in the market. Okay, you can see here Terra Luna $81, pretty much $40 below all-time high of 2 weeks ago. $40 is crazy. So I wish I had taken some profits. We always say take some profits on the way up. I know Luna is gonna go higher, and I was very busy, and I didn't want to take profits because my Luna is staked. Okay, in one of the protocols I'm gonna give you today as well, one of the coins, my Luna is staked there. So I didn't. Anyway, my Luna is staked, and I put a 14-day lock in it, so I would miss anyway. So yeah, I'm okay with it holding. So, but I know now, as soon as Luna starts to push up again, I will have to unlock some of my Luna from my staking, so I can use the take some profit on the way up. Avalanche as well. Guys, I think Avalanche is even better position because you know that the Don Kwon, the Terra Luna founder, he invested I think it was $200 million in Avalanche. Yeah, a lot of people got really upset because he bought 1 point something billion in Bitcoin to back the UST, yeah, which is the stable coin Terra Luna, and he bought a few million, hundreds of millions of dollars of Avalanche to support the ecosystem of Avalanche. So, he engaged the community of Avalanche to support Terra, but lots of people got really upset because, of course, Avalanche is an altcoin and it's not as stable as Bitcoin, isn't it? So it's not a market leader, let's say like that. And anyway, it drove a lot of kind of, bad talk and FUD towards Terra. But of course, the ecosystem of Luna is amazing. And, I have really high hopes for it. But Avalanche is peaked at $150. So it's below, and Terra Luna just peaked 120. So Avalanche is below, the Terra Luna price. And then I think, if we want to think about safe bets, these are amazing. Of course, the coins I'm going to talk to you today, they are high risk, high reward kind of coins, So, again, so you have to kind of manage your portfolio and see what's going to be there for you. Say Scipione Massari, where is going Shiba? Hey, my man, Shiba Inu, for me, it's a super high risk because, there's a lot of whales in it. And if they decide to dump, they're going to dump on the retail, which is like basically in the weaker hands, and people going to just, panic and sell, and that's where they get their profit. So I would not bother with Shiba really. Who goes out? Not believing future. Yeah, exactly. If you're out of the market now because you don't believe in the future of any altcoins, okay, so you should study a little bit more and spend time in it because this is going to revolutionize the world. It's starting already. We've seen the Fed in America talking about like really positively about Bitcoin. It's crazy, the Fed always talk about how dangerous cryptocurrency is and all that, and now they are positive, saying things about Bitcoin. So it's amazing, yeah. So guys, let's go straight to the coins of the week for you, okay? Now, before we go there, let's just see what I really like to see what the technical analysis says. I follow Plan B, as you know, here in the channel. I like him a lot. Of course, he went really wrong last year, and everybody followed his kind of high expectations for Bitcoin, and then everybody went kind of wrecked because he said we're gonna get to more than 120,000 last year, and didn't work as planned. So anyway. So he's a good guy, and he's always posting something nice. Some people are afraid Bitcoin might drop to realized price level of 24.5. Guys, there's a lot of talks about very strong TAs there in the crypto channel, the crypto world, talking about this 24.5. To say the truth, I'm quite, I'm scared that this is gonna happen, really. So I'm kind of 50-50 really on I'm actually going towards 60% chance that this is happening, in my opinion, because I'm in the market for 2 years and this been happening over and over and over. I've seen this happening 3 times already, kind of going really big drops, like 50% drops, 60% drops. And I don't discard this. I think it's valid, and we have to watch what this guy says. But he doesn't say that. He said that it's probably not going to happen. But there are a lot of other people saying that this is a very high probability of this happening. So, however, last 3 times such a capitulation happened, the cause was yellow circles. 2018 BSV fork, 2014 Bitstamp exchange hack, and 2011 Mt. Gox exchange hack. Okay, so all of these capitulations happened because there was a massive hack. As you know, this Mt. Gox thing took billions of dollars of people. And I think now America actually kind of got some of these coins back. And yeah, so this is when it happened here on the graphic. You can see the hacks, and then boom, there was massive capitulation into the black line there, which is the realized price. And the realized price today is $24,500. I don't think it could go that low, really, because we just seen that Terra Luna just bought another $1 billion, I think something like this, in Bitcoin. So if he bought at about 40,000, and also Michael Saylor, one of the biggest holders of Bitcoin in the world, he also bought at 41,000 level. So I don't think they would let it go below 30 really, because otherwise I think the average price they're paying at the moment is 30,000. So I think they would hold the market above 30,000. I would say we could still possibly go to 36, 34 even. I think there's a chance. So that's why I'm holding capital to deploy whenever this goes. Of course, if this pumps like crazy, and then I'm already kind of positioned, yeah, and yeah. So I'm just really holding to see where this is gonna go, and I think this is the best advice I can give you, really, if the advice is a good thing to give anyway. So we say in Brazil, advice is not good, because if it's good, we could sell it. So you know, I don't know if it's a good advice anyway. Only a few other times has Bitcoin reached the zone of heavy opportunity, green. This is also the longest time Bitcoin has ever spent in the zone, okay? So I saw this yesterday as well. It's the entity adjusted dormancy flow. So every time we hit the green, we are in heavy opportunity, yeah? So we hit it there at the 2013, and then 2015, 2019, 2020. This was the COVID drop, okay? And this is what, like a few months back, and now we've been spending so long here. So that means it's buying opportunity. Guys, these graphics, like we say, they're like, you know, they're pretty accurate because they follow the previous market. So I think, again, we know, especially the coins I'm gonna talk today, oh man, big X's there, lots of X's there for us. Okay, another thing that they say, the bottom is closed now. Crypto Rover says Bitcoin outflow signaling accumulation is skyrocketing again. More and more Bitcoins flowing out of exchange, signaling the bottom is very close. I think 30,000 Bitcoins went out of Coinbase, guys, yesterday, I think. So 30,000, that's insane. So time to send now. I like to see the comments. There's always nice comments as well on Crypto Rover, guys. This is really good. You always click on what they say and check some comments as well. There's some nice TAs replying. Hidden bearish diversions on mid to high time frames. Upper BB looks ready to throw the price down. Conclusion, expect, that's why, down and Bitcoin up. Yeah, okay. So you see, he says that, you know, the dollar will go down, meaning the Bitcoin price will go boom up. Okay, so I think this is kind of very bullish, right? So without further ado, let's go for the coins of the week, the coins that I think is gonna blow, guys. First coin, DeFi Kingdom. Guys, look at this, 486. For me, it's a bit hard to see that because I just bought at $10, and then I bought some more at $6.70, thinking I was doing an amazing deal, and now it's 486. So of course, as we know, you know, the high risk, high reward goes like that. As soon as Bitcoin drops, these coins drops even further, but it's all-time high is $20. And also, guys, if you haven't seen the video where I talk about staking Jewel, which is the coin of the DeFi Kingdom's network, okay? The DeFi Kingdom now is a network, okay? It's not just a coin, it's not just a game, okay? You're gonna be able to download on MetaMask DFK network, which is crazy, okay? It's connected to Avalanche now and Harmony, okay? So it's insane, the APRs they're giving at the moment, and I would definitely advise you, because I think although you could have some impermanent loss in the near future, but for the long term, it's gonna be insane. Okay, as soon as get like all-time highs, plus the reward they give you, the APRs. So check our videos, okay? I talk all of it about DeFi Kingdoms, and I think it's an amazing opportunity, especially that's 486, and you can stake at 2,000% a year. That's insane, guys. Like 5% APR daily for something like this. It's crazy. Anyway, so check it out. Second coin, also I made a video about, and let me put this coin in front. It's osmosis, okay? Also made a video on it. It's on the Cosmos ecosystem. It's the biggest DEX on our Cosmos. It's one of the biggest total value locked protocols there. So check it out. Also made a video of how to stake in osmosis. Actually, like I said, my Luna is staked in osmosis because you can stake Luna and osmosis, and you can stake Atom and Luna to earn osmosis. Okay, so it's kind of quite low at the moment, so it's good for you to buy and enter and stake, because it holds a $10 value for a long time, guys. Look at this. I'm gonna put on the O just so you see. Look, it held here for a long time, really. So it goes from let's see when it starts to go, like about $8 something, from August, no, from January, right? I never know, like they change. Yeah, it's January, sorry. From January up until now, more or less, like until March, they hold about $8.50 to $10 price. Okay, so yeah, $10.91. So I think when I entered it was about $9, but keep hovering about this. So 7, and then go straight 9, and then 8, 10. So I think it's like you would get this price here now at this stage here, which was December last year, or further away, let's see, would be October, from October last year price. Okay, guys, and you can see on that very little times went below that. Yeah, like, and it's still the lowest was like $4 something. So it's a very, very good, strong coin. I think it can reach the all-time high really quickly. And also, if you stake, of course, the stakes in osmosis are really, really good as well, like 70%, and they have a super fluid one now that you can earn even more, an extra 20%, I think, a year. So yeah, I definitely recommend you guys to have a look on it. Next one, Gala. Okay, Gala, it's a gaming coin. Insane projects, guys. I heard there's more than 100 games just ready to release in the world. Okay, so this coin is gonna boom. And of course, for you to take part in the games, you would have to have Gala. Okay, and very, very cheap. I just deployed some money like last week. I think I took some coins that I thought wasn't really working very much. Like, for example, I had some synthetics being very steady. I lost some money in synthetics, but I averaged down. So what I do, guys, it's very important also for you to check your portfolio. Don't stick to something that's losing, because what I did, my synthetic was about 70% of all-time high. So I just checked that. I was gonna lose a lot of money. So what I did, I exchanged for Gala, which it's also, let's see how much is it, a 76% from its all-time high. So I had synthetics was 76 as well, 75, and at the time this was 70%, was last week, so it's a bit higher. But so what I said, you know what? So it's 70%. The gain I can make in Gala is much higher, so I changed all my synthetics for Gala, and I think I did an amazing deal on that. So that's how you can. So if you don't have any more money to do it, maybe that's what you should do. Check how much they are, how far they are from its all-time high, and just exchange one for the other. It could work really well for you. I think it's gonna work really well for me, because I haven't seen synthetics done anything, and yeah, the price is like steady forever. So I believe in Gala. So another one, I'm very early investor on Thorchain. Okay, Thorchain also, it's like it's been booming like crazy, and now today had this kind of draw of 5.25, but last time Bitcoin dropped kind of was 48 down to 40s. Thorchain kept really, really strong. Okay, a lot of investors in Thorchain kept the coin really, really strong. So the all-time high of Thorchain, it's 1946. So we're pretty much 50% below its all-time high. But what Thorchain does, and it's like, guys, always can read here. Thorchain is a decentralized liquidity protocol that allows users to easily exchange cryptocurrency assets across a range of networks without losing full custody of their assets in the process. Okay, With ThorChain, users can simply swap one asset for another in permissionless setting without needing to rely on order books to source liquidity. Instead, market prices are maintained through the ratio of assets in a pool. Okay, the token is Rune, and the base currency in the ThorChain ecosystem is also used in platform governance and security as part of ThorChain's cyber resistance mechanism, since ThorChain nodes must commit a minimum of 1 million Rune to participate in rotate consensus process. Okay, so yeah, ThorChain, it's on my list today. Please check it out. And the last one, last but not least, Engine Coin, another gaming coin. Guys, I think I said this before, but one of the coins that most gave me profit was Engine. I got into Engine on the cents of a dollar, and I've been taking profits. Believe me, this coin is the one that I've been taking a lot of profits from it, and it's been amazing. Basically, my first investment on Engine was $50, and on my first profit was $150, and I still left $50 there, and then this road to another $150 was crazy. So then once I done that, I really believed I saw, and then I started to really study the project more, and so that they have so much going on. Basically, Engine Coin is a project of Engine, a company that provides an ecosystem of interconnected blockchain-based game products. Engine flagship offering is the Engine Network, a social gaming platform through which users can create websites and clans that chat and host virtual item stores. Okay, so yeah, it's insane, the social game, the connection with the community. Yeah, what the easy things that they give for the community to use, and amazing. So please check it out, Engine Coin. Okay, I think this is it, guys. The bonus coins I'm going to speak today, it's PostX, PostChain, Hex. Okay, guys, do not sleep on that. Casca has been posting a lot of videos on it, and yesterday in our lives in Portuguese, so Casca really talk about the projects that they had in PostX, but I'm gonna leave that for Monday, okay? But if you have any questions on that, please leave us your question there on PostX, Hex, and PostChain, because Casca is really working hard on all of that. So there is still ways of doing sacrifices. There's like many sacrifices on the PostChain. Casca left a link yesterday on our live. So if you go to yesterday's live, yeah, on our channel, let's just go there quick. If you go to our channel and go to our live from yesterday, 1 second, let's get, and then you can go to this link and then find out what the sacrifice you can make on the PostChain ecosystem they're releasing. So 1 second, let's just open the channel there. And I quickly show you the link from yesterday. And then, yeah, that's it pretty much. So yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please share our content. I have to thank you guys so much. Me and Casca, we already reached our hours on that it's like we need it, okay, to actually monetize the channel. And it's really important. Thank to you. Thank you very much. Of course, now we're almost there on the subscribers, okay? And I hope everybody can help us reach the, all the subscribers we need as well. So please subscribe, share the content to your family, friends. Let's see, it's on the chat. Casca left yesterday. So I'm gonna get the link for you, and we might even open there. 1 second, come on. Guys, by the way, I'm moving back to Brazil soon as well. So for sure, we're probably gonna have a different settings, and maybe, I don't know, maybe we have to change the time slightly. So keep an eye on it. And yeah. So guys, it's this video here from yesterday. 5 best cryptocurrencies as well in Portuguese. Come on, come on. Not really going to let me do it because there's so much going on here in the computer. Let's see. Should be in the comments. Should be in the comments. Where are the comments? 1 second there, guys. Guys, also don't forget to send hello to Casca. Happy birthday for his son, Nicola, and all the best, isn't it? Don't forget also Papa Bitbrother and Casquinha Crypto on Twitter, yeah? Guys, you know what's happening, right? Elon Musk is trying to buy Twitter. That means, really, Twitter is gonna boom as well, and you need to be in it. I think what everybody's thinking is that Elon Musk is gonna really pump Dogecoin. So again, you talked Scipione Massari, you talked about Shiba. I think we should really look into Doge actually, because Elon's gonna make this thing pump. Okay, so yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave this link here actually on the description from yesterday's video. Go there. There is the Casca left the link. It's there. Casca left the link on the description there, so if you want to check that video out, okay? And one last thing before we go, Bitcoin institutional buying could be big narrative again, as 30K Bitcoin leaves Coinbase. 30,000 coins, I said this, left Coinbase today. Regardless of Bitcoin price action, institutional players are putting their money where their mouth is this month. So Bitcoin may be heading under 40, but fresh data shows that demand from major investors is anything but decreasing. For Ki Young-ju, CEO and China's platform CryptoQuant, institutional Bitcoin buying could be big narrative in the crypto space once more. Okay, so guys, again, everything indicates that goes really high, but of course, you know, be careful, invest wise, and thank you very much. Have a great Easter, everybody. Have a great weekend. And be with us, share our content, please. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. And I'm gonna end the program as Casca ends every day